Today we are introducing you the concept of Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro is an upcoming mid-range present by the device maker. The company by a powerful spec sheet consists of powerful chipset and 6GB RAM. It also offers all the desired features. Apart from featuring a huge capacity battery, its powerful camera setup is sure to satisfy the buyer of the device. Additionally, the sleek body and the styling of the device adds to its list of offerings. So let's start this video. First we will talk about the display. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro display size 6.7 inches. The AMOLED display type gets a 2.5D curved glass. Offering a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels with a pixel density of 393 ppi to ensure high definition quality. Additionally, the device is also suspected to get a screen refresh rate of 60 Hz. The camera setup of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro comprises of a quad lens setup with a primary camera of 64 megapixels. Supporting the primary camera is an 8 megapixel wide, ultra wide camera and two similar 5 megapixel lenses for wide depth photography. Xiaomi has placed a 32 megapixel shooter in the front camera of the device for selfies and video calls. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset that rests on an octa-core processor clocking at a speed of 2.4 GHz. Additionally, an Adreno 620 GPU and 6GB RAM ensures a ceaseless performance in the device. The battery capacity of the phone is at 5500 mAh equipped with the fast charging functionality of 25W to ensure faster refill and extended device usage. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro gets internal storage of 64GB, expandable up to 512GB via means of micro SD card. The connectivity of the device offers a 5G by 4G world network, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth and AGPS with GLONASS. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro expected price 22,000 and expected release date October 2020. So this is information about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. Connected for more updates and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.